All right, folks. Adam here. Amy's assisting today, and we're showing off this incredible espresso machine. She's stamping down her espresso, and this is great. You can see the easy to read display, 203 degrees Fahrenheit. She stamped it down. She's going to put her espresso right inside, and this is great. The lighted power button, the single adjustable to the exact size you need, or the timed button for making your coffee and espresso. And yeah, this is really fantastic. You see, here's your steam accordingly. So she's gonna make a quick cup of espresso. And these guys really have done a great job. Look how beautiful this looks coming out. We're gonna zoom in for you. Now this has a refillable water tank. You don't have to run a water line, and you can run this just about anywhere. It does plug into a standard 110, and it is a fingerprint resistant stainless steel. Now if you're looking for that perfect cup of espresso, see how it just poured exactly like that? But you can make it yourself here, and this is restaurant quality, top end stuff. So Amy, is there anything else we should tell them about this? Because this really smells fantastic. I can't tell you how good this smells. And it looks like it was incredibly easy.
Absolutely, super easy, and all very easy to clean as well. And it looks great on your countertop. It looks very professional.
Yeah, this has got the overflow reservoir here, to where you don't have to worry about that, and the mechanical gauge right in back on the side, on the left side. Let's see if I can focus in on that for you. Just a great design to where we have everything ready to go. They've just done a great job making a high quality machine. And again, this is by a great brand. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out and show you even more. And don't forget to stick around for the up close portion of the video at the end, where we show you the product up close in detail. But if you haven't already, it's time to go ahead and pick one of these up, put it in your cart. And of course, folks, before we drink it, let's go ahead and froth up some milk, making this perfect addition to your espresso. And I love that this is just a turn right here, get it up how you want it. Very easy and convenient. All right, folks, now I've got my cappuccino mixed in my froth milk with my espresso. That is good. All right, now let me go ahead and show you the up close portion of the video for even more. This is a great machine, but you can see everything that comes with it. And again, this is a premier company. So if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is a resounding yes. All right, stick around for the up close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for our up close portion of the video for this fantastic high quality. This is a great brand, and it's a professional coffee machine, perfect for your espresso needs. It's the G307L. And yeah, if you're looking for something that is perfect, patented, and going to make that great cup, well, guess what? This is the one for you. So inside the box, there's going to be a lot of stuff here, folks. So hang on, we've got a lot to show you. Now, what they've done is, for all intents and purposes, perfected espresso making at home. Something that would be this quality, at one point you would have to, go to a store that specializes. You couldn't do this yourself. Well, guess what? This is now something that's completely available at home and quickly. It's done quickly, not like those older machines that took a while, maybe didn't taste right. This is more of a perfect solution for you, and it's a more of a perfect solution for me. All right, as we slowly but surely get the protective wrapping off of this guy, I am already very impressed. I love the stainless steel, and I can already tell. Let's see if we can show this here. Not leaving fingerprints. That means that they've got a good protected coat on the stainless steel. They've designed this above and beyond the competition. All right, now well packed for shipping means that you don't have to worry about it being scratched or damaged, and you get to do that little peel of the protectant coat that we all just enjoy doing. Wildly relaxing. All right. And so the brand itself has been standing behind their products for a long period of time, and we definitely like a brand that has you in mind and protecting the product in mind, standing behind their customers in mind. This is not a fly-by-night brand. It's not a fly-by-night product. You're going to have this for a while. As long as you like espresso, you're going to be using this because this is built to LAST. And yeah, that makes a world of difference. You can see the little catch at the bottom. And yeah, folks, again, my name is Adam. We're looking at some of the best products in all the land. And these guys have made it easy to become an espresso expert, which I know you want to be. Okay. So also included, you're a VIP, how to make perfect coffee, the crema and the coffee layer, extra fine. This is the coffee grind size. You can do coarse, medium, fine, or extra fine, depending if you want French press, pour over, espresso, or, let me get that better on screen, Turkish coffee, all right there. Then over here, single espresso, how to make the perfect coffee, and the tips for how to make it in case you've never done this before. Should be very easy. It says add water to the reservoir tank, press the power button, put coffee powder in to the tamp, install the portafilter, press the buttons, add milk into the frothing pitcher, turn on the steam, and pour into the espresso, and you're done. You can remove the basket easily as well. So straightforward instructions. Now it does come with everything you need here. Look at this, perfect size. Look at that, that's a sturdy handle. I've seen some of these where the handle's ready to fall off when you get it. You don't want that. Here's your scoop. Straightforward there. Does come with a little screwdriver in case you need to, or excuse me, not screwdriver. Yeah, it's your little screwdriver. This guy. And yeah, they've just done a great job including all the stuff you need to get you the perfect cup of coffee. Now, Amy is the espresso drinker in this household, so I cannot wait to make her a cup of espresso just like she has made me espresso. And you know what? This is just a great design, again, by a premier brand. They give you everything you need to become the expert. You've got the warming cup zone right up here. You got the power button, the manual coffee button, the automatic coffee button, right down the side. Your display screen, your steam knob, your steam handle, and your pipe. Let me show you that up close so you can read it. The coffee filter, the portafilter, etc. All right, folks, if you're looking for something that is truly unbelievable, fine marksmanship, workmanship, and designed to last, well, guess what? And of course, the stick plugs into your standard 110 with the ground, a little bit higher quality than some of the competition. Easy to use, stylish, sophisticated, and it's oh so chic. Folks, look at that finish. Look at that design. I love it, and I think you're going to love it as well. Go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. Let me show you that big water tank in the back. Easy to fill. I'm going to zoom out for you. Look at that water tank. That's fantastic, right? Minimum and maximum lines. Crystal clear. Easy to fill. Can't wait to get started. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, and goodbye, my friends.